Welcome to the gold standard in crop protection. We introduce Grower's Choice Plant Guard 420 formula, the essential organic solution for healthy cannabis and hemp from seed to harvest. Don't let months of hard work vanish in days. Powdery mildew and bud rot can steal your profit. Fighting an active outbreak late in the flower stage is a losing battle, resulting in failed pesticide tests and lost ROI. Grower's Choice Plant Guard 420 formula offers a revolutionary approach to plant health. It's a specialized proprietary potassium HOCl formulation and a no-rinse organic crop applicant. This is the gold standard for effective pathogen kill. HOCl kills mold, mildew, spores, and bacteria on contact down to the DNA level. Pathogens cannot build immunity to hypochlorous acid. Its neutral pH of 7.0 makes it plant safe and equipment safe. Our three-step plan to cultivation success begins with Step 1, protect at the seed stage. Apply Plant Guard 420 formula as a seed wash to maximize germination rates and protect seedlings from day 1. Step 2, prevent during the growing cycle. Maintain regular preventative applications throughout the vegetative and flower stages. Prevention is the only real cure. Create a hostile environment for pathogens. It's flower safe and will not damage trichomes or terpenes. Step 3, preserve during harvest and storage. Apply Plant Guard 420 formula as a harvest wash to safeguard valuable yield during storage and processing. No rinsing is required. Ensure maximum ROI by preventing spoilage at the finish line. Plant Guard 420 formula provides comprehensive pathogen control. It stops active powdery mildew outbreaks, prevents bud rot conditions, offers effective septoria reduction, and eliminates biofilm buildup in lines. It targets pathogens while remaining gentle on beneficial soil microbes. Beyond the leaf, Plant Guard 420 formula offers versatile applications. Use it for system cleaning, equipment sanitation, and in both indoor and outdoor environments. It supports IPM by improving plant health, making it harder for pests to thrive. The real-world impact is proven through case studies in pathogen management. We have many customers who have successfully battled recurring powdery mildew issues, resulting in thriving plants and reversed outbreaks for cultivators like you. Maximize your crop yield and ROI through prevention. Prevention is cheaper than fighting a late outbreak. Safeguard your investment, eliminate the risk of failed pesticide tests, and give your cannabis and hemp the best protection. The gold standard checklist includes unmatched effectiveness with DNA level kill and zero resistance. Complete safety, being plant-friendly and safe for people and pets. And versatile applications, from seed wash to harvest wash and equipment. It is the definitive choice for serious growers. Cultivate without worry. Secure your crop today with Grower's Choice Plant Guard 420 formula. For more information, please use the contact details shown here.